Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Matthew Brady, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel, still welcome. Today I'm taking my Ford Fiesta ST to my buddy Cameron's place because we're going to make it a little louder yet. The car has a muffler delete currently, and it's a lot of fun, but I don't know. I want to take the resonator off too. This car's just it's like a little puppy dog. It's so fun. I mean, it's very boosty, and I mean, now that I took the muffler off, it's, I don't know, it added a lot more character. But what I noticed I like the most is those kind of crackles and pops and burbles you get on deceleration. And supposedly taking off the resonator will make those a lot more pronounced. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll see you at Cameron's place. So there's the big old factory resonator, and we just bought some piping from AutoZone. And
O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly. It matters a lot, you're right.
You gotta get it right.
From O'Reilly. Auto Parts.
Ow!
Ow! Okay, anyway, we're gonna weld that on and see if it makes some more crackles and pops. As you can see, the rust has started to set in on my exhaust after just 1 year in Iowa. That's really sad. Stock resonator. You can see in there. It's got some baffling and stuff. Cameron says it's a Helmholtz design, which is kind of cool. Look at that tiny little turbo. That's a turbo, guys. It's a teeny weeny one. This thing's turbo is so fucking small. Exhaust aside, it actually looks like for 1 year in Iowa winter, the underside of this car is done all right, actually. I guess I kept it washed enough. There's not a lot of surface rust on any of this yet. The exhaust is terrible, but it's all right. The finished product. No more resonator. Thanks to Cam.
Judge welds.
Yeah, I don't think they look too bad, honestly, for having to be up above it and everything. And
I hate welding upside down.
yeah, it's a pain in the ass. I think you do all right.
Making my light vibrate up there.
This is nuts. Oh my god, I'm gonna get a fucking ticket. Oh my god. That's so holy crap. Oh man, dude. Does it sound good?
On overrun is the best.
It sounds so freaking good now.
When you let off.
It's so loud. Like the overrun. Oh my gosh, it sounds good. Like when you're engine braking, it's like whoa, whoa. Oh man, dude. I'm so glad I did this. I'm so cheap, dude. This is like, oh, this is best mod. I mean, it's Ricer, but it's good. I'm so happy. guys, seriously, just listen to this thing right now. It's so good. Oh, I'm a child. I am literally a child in this car.